Welcome to today's tutorial on how to receive daily SMS text to your phone anytime from Facebook using your PC. Follow these simple steps to manage your text notifications. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Locate your profile photo at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. Step 3. Click on the About section, which can be found below your profile photo. Step 4. Inside the Contact and Basic Info tab, find the pen icon next to your phone number. Click on it to edit your phone number settings. Step 5. Click on Edit next to time of day. This will allow you to set the time when you want to receive SMS texts from Facebook. Step 6. Select any time from the available options. Step 7. Finally, click on Save Changes to apply the new settings and receive daily SMS texts to your phone anytime. By following these steps, you can customize the time of day when you receive SMS texts from Facebook on your phone. Thank you for watching this tutorial.